We got to watch the end of free practice. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
We just got to see Valentino Rossi go by. It's so loud. I need earplugs. Bring earplugs. See you soon.
Marquez aboard and steaming his way to another brilliant lap. He's half a second up. This is where he got into trouble last time out, but he's through here. Let's off the throttle here. Puts it back on again now. One more corner to go. Marquez, the absolute poet, the maestro that is from Moto. Very much an American to so many against the Spaniard. Come to the line now. Can he do it?
Rossi's on the front row. That's freaking awesome. I really wanted Nav to be first, but Marquez owns this track, but barely. He's got someone coming up close. It's gonna be awesome. You guys want to tune back in? See you soon.